Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Backwoods Solar YouTube video. In today's YouTube video, we're going to be doing a brief overview of Backwoods' new solar surface pumps. Let's get into it. We're going to begin today's video by just having a quick look at the outside of the pump and what's included in the box. As you can see here with our solar surface pumps, we do include the control and this nice cage with a removable cover. We also do include a foot valve, which is very handy, and filter screen for when putting these into a creek or stream or pond, or just to retain the water column. It's super important to have a foot valve or a check valve of some kind on the intake. We do include one. Removing the cover here, we'll be able to get a little bit better look at the control. This controller we use here in this surface pump is the same controller we use in our DC submersible pumps. So it may look familiar if you're familiar with our submersible options. The controller here can be removed from the cage along with the pump. So if you did want to relocate the control on the wall or the pump in a different location, you can disconnect or unbolt the controller from the pump and the pump from the cage if we did want to mount this on a wall in a booster pump type application. Otherwise, having this cage here does increase portability if you're using this in a mobile application, such as a fire suppression rig or watering cattle where you did want a grab and go type pump solution. Taking a close look here at the cast pump head, you will see both a 1-inch NPT threaded inlet and outlet here. Over here on the left, we have a brass screw for our priming port. Otherwise, you'll see that we have it attached to this nice brushless DC motor, very similar to the motors that are used in our submersible pumps. Obviously, instead, this is a surface option. The impeller used in these heads is a brass impeller. Brass is better for wear resistance and longevity. These type of centrifugal pump heads do tolerate higher water turbidity, dirtier water, sediment, things like that better than some other options. Obviously, it's not ideal to have sediment, but these type of pumps do tolerate dirty water, deadheading, and extreme conditions a little bit better than most. We currently offer two different models of our solar surface pumps. Our first model is 8 gallons a minute up to 100 feet of lift. That uses around 300 watts of solar to accomplish that. Or we have this option that you see here. This is a surface solar pump that can do about 200 feet of lift and 9 gallons a minute total. And here we use about 800 watts of solar to accomplish that. So check out our website. We do have both of these options listed there, and the pricing as well as the details, spec sheets, and pump curves all there on our website. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call here, talk with one of our techs. Otherwise, you could also leave any questions in the comments below. Other than that, we'll see you on the next video.
Backwoods Solar is America's oldest and most trusted solar retailer with nearly 50 years of experience. Head over to our website, backwoodssolar.com, to get a free copy of our planning guide. While you're there, check out our Learning Center with articles on setup, sizing, tax credits, and so much more helpful information, especially if you're just getting started with solar. There are also links provided in the description.